Bahia Honda is generally rated as the #1 state park in the Keys. Or Bahia Honda is like #1. Why? It like has everything. Honda is a Spanish word that means deep. So right out here are some of the deepest waters in all of the Florida Keys. And Bahia means bay, so deep bay in Spanish. And it is so neat. You can see this incredible footage that I have here. You can drive from tip to tip, and on each tips is a beach. I know, it's amazing. So you can rent kayaks, you can walk this beach. It's like forever. And then of course, you've got the beautiful forest and mangroves right in the middle. It's like it's an own island. And so it's like, I think for two of us, it was like $9. You can walk on one end to where the bridge fell apart. It's so cool. You go to the other end and you can just keep walking and walking and walking until you get to the tip. So here, we walked all the way down to the tip. We drove all the way to the other tip, and then we walked around there. Wow, it's just really beautiful. So there's a concessionaire there. You can obviously eat something there. You can rent boats. It's right here on the Gulf of America. And right here, right behind me, you have the beautiful bridge that you can take. And that's the 7-mile bridge. And it's definitely one worth stopping before or at the end and taking a picture of it. Have you ever seen the 7-mile bridge? I mean, this thing is so cool. I mean, it's like 7 miles, and the crazy thing about it is that you like can't pass, so hopefully people are doing the speed limit, not going too much and just enjoying it. So it's pretty flat, and then it goes up in elevation, it comes back down. It is pretty remarkable. And you are just right here on the longest bridge here at Bahia Honda State Park. come enjoy this sometime, you know, there's a lot of state parks. Once you really leave the mainland, start going down to Key West, whether it's Isla Mirada or Marathon, you have all of these state parks to choose from, and they are super cheap to get in. And if you go midweek, you could be one of 10 people there. Bahia Honda is one of my favorite state parks anywhere in the US. It's so beautiful. Go check it out. I'll see you in next week's video.